Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to reset all settings on your device can be crucial if you encounter persistent problems that can be resolved through simpler troubleshooting steps. It's a more comprehensive reset that restores all system settings to their factory default, which can often resolve issues like persistent software glitch, app crashes, or unusual behavior. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter the settings on your device. Okay, so please scroll down and select General Management menu. Well, after that, find out Reset option, tap on it, and then select Reset All Settings here. Okay, so here you can read the following attention, and then click Reset Settings and enter your log type. Okay, lastly, click Reset below. Well, that's the tutorial on how to reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.